have the BOXYCHARM by IPSY for the month of October. There wasn't too many products to try on in here, so I only tried on one, which I'll show here to the side, but let's go ahead and jump into it. So this month is Work Your Magic. It's kind of a Halloween type theme, and it has some previews for next month. We have some spoilers like the Benefit Bad Gal Waterproof, this palette from the brand Moon Slice, and the Rhodial Hyaluronic Drink. It looks like a spray for the skin. So that is what's coming out. But let's go ahead and jump into these. First, we have this set of brushes. It comes with 5 brushes, and it's like a dark brown and orange, so very on theme for Halloween. And it comes with a few crease brushes, and this is from the brand Just Jimena, I want to say. It's their pro set. So we have a large flat brush, a kind of eyebrow brush, and 3 different brushes for blending. I will be giving this away because I need to stop. And this isn't a brand that I've never tried before. Unless you guys have tried this before and it's amazing, let me know. These are made in Thailand, but you guys know I already have so many brushes that I try to really keep it to a select number of like really specific brands. But these look nice. I'm not sure if they're synthetic or not. It says ultra soft, cruelty free for blending, shading. It has a perfect brush, angle, smooth, large, and crease brush. So I've never heard of this brand, but I thought that that was cute. Next we have the Pure Lease Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm. And this I thought was really cool because it is related to this season. It's very on brand. And it has pumpkin chai and soy milk. It's literally a balm to take off your makeup. The packaging is really cute and orangey too. And it has like a little scoop, which I appreciate, especially when I have long claws on. These are my Halloween nails. These are press-ons from Shein, which I need to take off today, but this is what the balm looks like. And it even has like a slight pumpkin smell to it. Not too over the top or anything like aggressive, but it does say that it's formulated with pumpkin, chai, and soy milk. And basically you just apply this to your skin. Usually I apply it like when it's like I wet it a little bit and it's a little bit damp, and then I use a balm to take off my makeup. So really cute. I have grown to like pumpkin and pumpkin smells, or like spicy kind of like fall scents. I used to not, but I feel like it's grown on me over the season. Plus I'm a Libra, so this is my month. My birthday literally just passed. I am officially 43 now. Next is the only thing I did try on, and this is by Rare Beauty. This is the Dewy Liquid Blush. I do want to say be careful with this. The doe foot applicators on these, I feel like they need to change them up. They are so freaking big. And I made the mistake, you'll see in the video, of applying this directly to my face. Usually I use a palette, like a stainless steel palette, apply liquid blushes there for the most part, and then apply it to the brush and then apply it to my skin, because if not it can go overboard. But this is a very beautiful, like almost like a neutral mauve shade, and the shade is called Believe, and look how gorgeous that is. It is beautiful. This is the kind of like the shade that I usually go for. I usually go for like very neutral mauve-y undertones. So really happy with that. It's actually what I have on my cheeks. It looks a little bit more pinky toned on my cheeks, but yeah, I think it's just because I had to go back in with a sponge and add a little bit more setting spray and powder and like kind of play with it a little bit more. But I feel like on this cheek you can really tell like it's kind of like that mauve-y undertone. Next we have a palette. I usually would do a try on for you guys of a palette and do the whole 9 yards, but when I saw this one it didn't really speak to me, and I don't want to just waste it for the video. Usually when I do try-ons, it's because I want to really try out the brand or try out You know, like I kept the Carly Bybel one. I've kept quite a few of the recent ones to really try them out. But with this one, it just didn't speak to me, and I feel like someone else could get use of it. But it has 4 matte shades, and then these 2 pretty sparkly ones in the middle. I'd rather give this to my goddaughter or somebody who could really get some benefit from it. But this is like a dark blue, a baby pink, ivory, and a brown. And then in the middle we have like this really sparkly, kind of like coppery with pinky tones, and then we have this opalescent shade here in the middle. So I will be giving this away. I'm sorry if you're disappointed that I didn't try it on. It just, I don't know, the last times that we've gotten this brand Lilith, it really didn't speak to me, and it ends up always getting decluttered. So I'd rather just give it to someone from the get-go who can use it and get some benefit from it. So this one's like, I wasn't too excited to see that. And then last we have Dew of the Gods Gloaces. This is a vitamin blend body lotion. It's the Smell Pumpkin Sugar Cookie, and it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and it says to slather onto just showered skin for hydration and dewiness. I really like the bottle. I think it's really cute and beautiful. The things that I've tried from Dew of the Gods, I've really liked it. The bottle looks like it's shimmery, like it has a shimmer. So we'll see if the lotion does too. Oh my God, this is like fall in a bottle. Like if you've ever walked into a store when it's fall time, if you've ever gotten like a Bath and Body Works spray or candle that has like that spicy pumpkin type of smell to it, this is it. Oh my God, it literally, and I used to be like, ugh, I don't like that smell, but the smell has grown on me, and this smells really good. I'm trying to see if there is any kind of like shimmer or glitter. No. So it's basically just a hydrating lotion. I feel like this would pair really well with more spicy perfumes, and like you could layer it, or even with like some vanilla, and then you had this to like add the little pumpkin in there. Oh, this is so good. If you do not like fall scents, pumpkin scents, this is definitely gonna be something to give away to somebody. It threw me off because the bottle itself has like a gold shimmer on the top of it, and then the lotion itself doesn't. So I was thinking that it was gonna have like that gold aspect to the lotion, but it doesn't. But I still appreciate this and will be using it. It just feels so fall, and I love the fact that they really curated quite a few products in here to really go with the season. I really appreciate when they do that. I know they don't do it all the time, but I really like those type of details. If you guys have seen me with like collections or things like that, like I love when something has like little details and refers to something. So love the fact that this is pumpkin. It is a cleansing balm. We have the lotion that just takes me into fall season. The brushes aren't fall themed, but I feel like the color in here is. Even the blush is kind of like a nice, like more tone for the fall. Like even today I paired it with this like brown lip because that's the vibe it gave me. To me, the only fail in this box has got to be the palette. Is just not for me personally, but overall I think it's a decent box. We have some good brands in here: Dew of the Gods, Pure Lease, Rare. So really nice one. Let me know what your picks were, what you think about this month's box. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I can't even tell you, like there's moments that I just want to stop. But then I get a comment from somebody, or I see that the videos are doing a little bit better or whatever, and then it just like impulses me to keep doing it because I do just really enjoy doing it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.